Hello everybody, and how are you today? I hope you're doing great because it is a great day. Nice and sunny, so enjoy it. Now, today I'm going to be talking to you about planting yucca. Yes, what is yucca? You're going to find out. And you can plant it from this little stick, more nutritional than a potato. If you want to hear more about this, just stick around. Action fun and back to lock 19 with Margaret. I'm going to show you how you plant this yucca first, and then I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about it. You go ahead and you put in the stem on a slant. You water it and you're done. This is a magic tuber. Let me tell you why. I am so excited about this video because you know I love natural things, organic things, and most of all, I love it when you can produce it yourself. And this is a magic food that you can plant in the ground, leave it alone, and when it's time to take it out of the ground, I'm telling you, the food is like this. It is like a ginormous potato, but it tastes better than a potato, and you get it from your own backyard. When you plant potatoes, at least when I have, they're about this big. But when you plant this one, big, ginormous, and delicious. Let me tell you about the properties that it has in terms of nutrition, vitamin C, fiber, antioxidants, great for your skin, and it also inhibits oxidative stress. I don't know if I said that right, but oxidative stress is when your body really basically goes haywire. So this helps balance it because of stress, and your body gets a lot of damage. So this helps prevent that. I mean, it's wonderful. It's really super good. So listen, if you want to know more about things like this that are good for your health, subscribe, hit that bell so that you can know right away when I put out a video. Now, I'm doing this one in two parts. Number one, when I go ahead and I plant the little stem so you can get the plant, and the other part so you can actually see that food and see how big and wonderful it is. So, catch up with you on that video. I want to show you how great it looks, and I'm going to show you how to cook it too. So if you like this, please go ahead and subscribe, and I hope that you have a wonderful day full of peace, love, and joy. Bye-bye.